Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Parnika Sejolog. Let's see a great speech on Independence Day. Let's start. Good morning respected principal, esteemed colleagues, dear students and all present here today. I feel honored to stand before you to deliver a speech on Independence Day. First of all, I wish you very happy Independence Day to all of you. This is a day that we celebrate our freedom and independence as a nation. It is a day to remember the sacrifices that have been made to make our country what it is today. On 15th August 1947, the nation woke up to a new dawn. We not only won freedom from foreign rule, but also the freedom to rewrite our destiny. Each of us has many identities apart from caste, creed, language, and region. We are also identified with our families and professions. But there is one identity that is above all. That is our identity as citizens of India. Each of us has an equal opportunity, equal rights, and equal duties in this land. We are extremely lucky to have such forefathers who gifted us a language could live really and independently, and most importantly with the lot of peace without having to worry about our rights and freedom. As a responsible citizens of our country, we should never hesitate to handle any condition of emergency on our land. At last, this is all I have to say. Hamara Bharat Mahan. Jai Hind. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Parnika Sejolog. Thank you. Jai Hind.